Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering responsive CSS layouts using Flexbox in just one video. Responsive CSS layouts are an essential part of modern web development, and mastering them can make all the difference in creating a seamless user experience. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of Flexbox, a powerful tool that can simplify the process of creating dynamic and flexible layouts. One of the biggest headaches when it comes to creating a responsive layout is dealing with the complexity of different screen sizes and devices. We have all been there, spending hours tweaking our CSS to get things just right, only to find that they break on a certain device or screen size. Flexbox can help alleviate this frustration by providing a flexible and adaptable way to create layouts that work across the different devices and screen sizes. Another challenge is dealing with the complexity of CSS grids systems. While grid systems can be powerful, they can also be cumbersome and difficult to work with. Flexbox, on the other hand, provides a more intuitive and easy to use approach to creating dynamic layouts. By leveraging the power of Flexbox, we can create responsive layouts that are both efficient and easy to maintain. When it comes to creating a responsive layouts, one of the main challenges is dealing with the complexity of different layout structures. Whether it's dealing with nested containers, floating elements, or absolute positioning, creating a responsive layout can be a daunting task. Flexbox can help simplify this process by providing a more straightforward and intuitive approach to creating layouts that work across different devices and screen sizes. From a design perspective, creating a responsive layouts can be a real challenge. We need to consider not only the technical aspects of creating a layout, but also user experience and aesthetic considerations. Flexbox can help us to achieve this balance by providing a flexible and adaptable way to create layouts that are both visually appealing and highly functional. Let's dive into the key features of Flexbox and explore how we can use this powerful tool to create dynamic and responsive layouts. As its core, Flexbox is all about creating a flexible container that can adapt to different screen sizes and devices. We can do this by defining a Flexbox container, which is essential apparent element that contains one or more flex items. These flex items can be laid out horizontally or vertically depending on the needs of our layout. One of the most powerful features of Flexbox is the ability to use properties like justify content and align items to create dynamic layouts. By using these properties, we can control the alignments and distribution of our flex items, creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. For example, we can just use justify content to center our flex items horizontally or align items to align them vertically. Let's take a look at a real example of how we can use Flexbox to create a responsive layout from scratch. We will build a simple header component that includes a logo, navigation, and search bar. We will start by defining our Flex container and adding our Flex items. From there, we can use Flexbox properties like justify content and align items to create a dynamic and responsive layouts that works across different devices and screen sizes. As we build our layout, we will also cover some tips and tricks for getting the most out of Flexbox. For example, we will explore how to use the flex wrap property to control the wrapping of our flex items, and how to use the flex basis property to set the initial mean size of our flex items. By leveraging the power of Flexbox, we can create responsive layouts that are both efficient and easy to maintain. Whether you are building a simple header component or a complex grid system, Flexbox provides a flexible and adaptable way to create dynamic layouts that work across different devices and screen sizes. In today's video, we have covered the essential components, concepts, and techniques for mastering responsive CS layouts with Flexbox. By following along with this tutorial, you should now have a solid understanding of how to use Flexbox to create dynamic and responsive layouts. Thanks for watching, and I would love to hear your thoughts on Flexbox in the comments below. If you are looking for more in-depth tutorials on web development, be sure to check out my other videos.